Hi everyone, it's Naomi, and today feels like a perfect moment to talk about something bright and beautiful. These orange thong mule heels bring such a fun energy. The color is bold and shiny with that happy summer feeling that makes everything look full of life. The golden heel adds a touch of elegance, and the shape stays open and graceful just the way I love it. The orange tone feels confident, warm, and playful at the same time. And that mix makes these heels stand out so easily. I also have tan sheer pantyhose that go so well with them. They have that light glow that smooths the legs and gives a soft, silky look. Together, the heels and pantyhose create a stylish and feminine match that feels classy, but still relaxed. I really enjoy how gentle and elegant this combination feels. And I think it shows a perfect balance between color comfort and charm. It's always nice to share these details with you, and I hope you enjoy discovering them with me. These orange thong mule heels feel elegant, bright, and full of charm. The color is so vivid, it brings a cheerful touch to everything around the golden heel. Adds a soft sparkle that makes the whole look feel more refined and special. The shape stays open and graceful. And I really like how the thong design keeps the foot steady, while still looking delicate. The glossy finish gives that extra shine that catches the light. In such a lovely way, the tan sheer pantyhose go perfectly with them. They make the legs look smooth and soft with that gentle silky glow that adds a natural elegance. The mix of orange and tan feels warm, feminine, and classy. It is such a beautiful match for moments when I want to feel stylish, but still relaxed and confident. Every little detail of these heels feels balanced, from the square toe to the golden stiletto. And the light foam under the sole, they are comfortable enough to wear for a long time. and still make me feel pretty and elegant. Every step, I really enjoy how this pair shows both color and confidence. And I think it brings such positive, happy energy. It is always so nice to share moments like this with you. And if you enjoy soft pantyhose, bright heels, and cozy try-ons like this one, make sure to give this video a like, leave me a comment to tell me what you think, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next try on. There are many more lovely pairs waiting to be shared with you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time with more cute heels and sweet moments.